Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will use the definition of derivative to differentiate a function, and for this purpose, I consider a special function of the form f of x equals square root of x. That is, I want to use the definition of derivative to find the derivative of this function. And from the definition of derivative, we know that the derivative of a function is given by limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So in order to find the derivative of this function, I first need to find f of x plus h, and then I want to substitute the value into this part of the definition. So I can write f of x plus h, in fact, equals square root x plus h. Now, I want to use the value of this in this position and this at this position and want to find this thing. So I can write f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h equals square root x plus h minus square root of x divided by h. Okay. In order to rationalize the numerator, I multiply this thing with square root x plus h, this plus, and then square root x, and then divide with the same thing. So I write x plus h plus square root x. Now I have a minus b times a plus b. So if I use that formula, I can write this as the square of this thing, x plus h minus x. That is, I can write the numerator in this thing, this with this with this, then minus this with this, and this with this. So this multiplication cancel the cross terms and just square the similar terms, and I can write it like this. And then I write this at h times square root x plus h minus plus square root x. Okay, now I can further write this in the form x minus x cancel, so I can cancel this with this, and I'm left just with h divided by h into square root x plus h minus plus square root x. I can cancel this h in the denominator with this h in the numerator, and I'm left with this thing 1 divided by square root x plus h plus square root x. Now, if I take the limit like this one, that would give me the derivative. So I just remove this thing and I plug in the value of this thing at this position, which is this thing. So I write the derivative in the form this is equal to limit h tends to 0, and the value of this is this, so I write that as 1 over square root x plus h plus square root x, and putting the value of h at this limit, then I can write this thing as 1 divided by square root x plus 0, so I'm not writing 0, and then plus square root x, and this is in fact equal to 1 over 2 square root x. So using the definition of derivative, we can find the derivative of a function of the square root of x to be 1/2 square root x. So this way you use the definition of derivative to find the derivative of any function. And thanks for watching.